What's going on, guys? My name's Brandon. I'm back with another video. Today, we're going to be playing some off-road outlaws. Today, I'm going to be showing you where to find this car. Yeah, let's repair it. Yes, I have some other cars, but we'll go through that in another video. But right now, let's go find this car. You do not want to go on multiplayer. It does not work on multiplayer. For some reason it just doesn't. You want to go to the desert. Now I believe this is the only car you can find, and I'm pretty sure. But yeah. We'll turn that down. So, I'll put the map on, and I'll show you guys where to go. But yeah. I like this game. Whoa, what am I doing? I like this game. I actually play it a lot. Me and my friend Buddy Drew play it often. Really. Right now I'm in high school, and I just flipped the car. But yeah, this thing is a climbing beast. Alright, so we're here where the car would usually spawn in. This car would spawn in right on this hill. Now I'm going to show you where it would spawn. What you want to do, put it in 4 low. Whatever vehicle you have, make sure this vehicle that you have can climb up this. Like right now I'm using this car because it's a climbing beast. Well, when it wants to. What the... Well, that just happened. And you want to take the easiest route. Right now I'm not taking the easiest route. Well, I guess you could technically say it's the easiest route, but right now I'm not where it would spawn. I'm going to show you guys where it would exactly spawn in at. This car right here would spawn in at right here. This is the exact location of this vehicle where it would spawn. But it's not going to look like mine. It's going to look black and all rusted, no tires, no nothing. Not even the supercharger, which is this thing that's going to get ready to. See the 3 red dots? See how those moved? That's the supercharger. But yeah. This is where you would find it. You have 2 options. One option is to find all the parts. And I think the desert. Sorry, excuse me. The second option is if you have 500 gold. 500 gold will already give you all the pieces, which I didn't go with the 500 gold. I went and found all of it. But yeah. I like this car. This car's a beast. We'll definitely do more videos on Off-Road Outlaws. And yeah. I like this car. This car's pretty cool. And there's just nothing else I could say about it. It's just really cool. And that will be it for this video. Peace out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like on this video. Don't forget to turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.